Did you know that in space, you can't really burp the way you do on Earth? Here's why. On Earth, gravity helps keep the stuff in your tummy sorted. Liquids stay at the bottom, and gas floats to the top. So when you burp, it's just the gas coming out. Easy peasy. But in space, there's no gravity to do the sorting. So if you try to burp, the gas mixes with the liquid and food in your stomach. And instead of a cute little burp, you might get a wet surprise. Basically a space-up, mini throw-up. That's why astronauts have to be extra careful with their snacks and drinks. Because in space, even a burp can turn into a mini disaster. So yeah, burping in zero gravity equals bad idea. Space is wild like that. Subscribe and like for more.